SenseApply application technology from Case IH. Apply smarter with 7 different application modes. Nitrogen VRA, Harvest Aid VRA, Plant Growth Regulator VRA, Fungicide VRA, Burn Down VRA, Herbicide Base Plus Boost, Green on Brown Spot Spray. Save up to 30,000 gallons or $28,000 in product per year. Automatically adapt your target application rates as you cover more acres every day. How does Green on Brown Spout Spray work with SenseApply? A high-resolution camera detects field conditions, instantly formulating a precise prescription. That prescription is sent to the sprayer's rate control module, which activates only the necessary nozzles via the AIM Command Flex 2 system to deliver the exact rate to the exact spot with millisecond precision. View and share real-time agronomic data through Case IH Field Ops for smarter insights and more precise recommendations. Available straight from the factory or as a kit that can be installed by your Case IH dealer. For your existing 2023 or newer Patriot 50 series sprayer or Trident 5550. With no per acres fees or annual subscriptions. Get SenseApply today and maximize the output of every input. Case IH, built by farmers.